Hey, guys, welcome back. If you ever used iPad, you will find that it is a great product. I also have an iPad but haven't used it for a long time, and found it is locked for the forgotten password. What should I do at this time? If you met the same problem as me, you can watch this video. Method 1. PassFab iPhone Unlocker. You can download this software from the PassFab official website. Firstly, connect iPad to computer. Click Start. Please carefully read the disclaimer before the next step. Switch the device model into iPad on the right top. Follow the guide to put iPad into recovery mode. Download the firmware. Wait for a while. Then click Start Remove button to unlock iPad. That will take a few minutes. After the rebooting process finished, enter the Apple ID password if you encounter activation lock. If you have backed up your data, you can recover your data from iCloud. Choose the proper one and wait until it is finished. Then the iPad is unlocked successfully. Method 2. iCloud. If you have a PC or another iDevice, you can try this method. Make sure you have signed into your Apple ID and enabled Find My on your iPad. If you log into iCloud through the computer, then click Find iPhone and choose the locked iPad. Click Erase iPhone to remove iPad's password. If you log into iCloud through another iPhone, you can click Find My, select the locked device, scroll down and click Erase this device. Enter the Apple ID password. Wait for a while. Now your iPad is unlocked and you can reset it. Method 3. iTunes. This method is free, but a little bit tricky. Connect your iPad to the computer. Then put it into recovery mode. Launch iTunes. Choose to restore your iPhone in the pop-up instruction. Then it will be restored until the firmware is downloaded. Reset it after rebooting. Enter the Apple ID password and your iPad is unlocked successfully. Okay, that's all today. Above all are 3 methods to unlock iPad. If you think it is helpful, please give us a like and subscribe to us. See you in the next video.